Let me show you how to answer this kind of chemistry question on the board. The question says, a compound that absorbs moisture from the atmosphere and eventually forms a solution is said to be, and we are given four options here. Option A, efflorescent. Option B, hygroscopic. Option C, anhydrous. And option D, deliquescent. Before I tell you the answer to this question, let me give you an example of a substance in which, when you expose it to the atmosphere, it will absorb moisture from the atmosphere and then dissolve in it to form a solution. Example of such substance is calcium chloride. If you expose calcium chloride to the atmosphere, it will absorb moisture from the atmosphere and then dissolve in that moisture to form a solution. That is why in your chemistry lab, the container that contains calcium chloride, they always make sure they seal it completely. In fact, they normally use double cover. They use that inner cover to cover it, and then before they use the outer cover of the container. If not, any mistake that there is an exposure to the atmosphere, it will dissolve inside that container. It will absorb moisture from the atmosphere and then dissolve inside the container to form a solution. You understand? So any substance that behaves in that manner is called a deliquescent substance. So looking at the options here, you can clearly see that option D is the right answer to this question.